Okay guys, welcome to Succotash. Today we're going to be reviewing the Lenovo Mini Wireless Keyboard product number N5901. Let's just start off by saying that this is something that you're not going to want to type for long periods of time on if you're using the letter function, but for surfing the web it's perfect. It has a very conveniently centrally located mini trackball right there. Left click mouse button, right click mouse button, standard QWERTY keyboard, space bar in the middle there. Has all your arrow keys and any other key you would have on your regular keyboard, numbers up top. That orange button off to the left is like a My Computer or a control panel button. There's your volume down, volume up, which is very convenient for surfing, and your volume mute button. Has some Windows Media Player or media buttons. There's a rewind button there, stop, play pause, and fast forward. Very ergonomic, has a nice backing to it. On off button there, comes with a wireless USB dongle that you hook to your computer. The range might not be optimal sometimes. It's 33 feet, it's more like 20 feet. And I haven't had any problems at the 20-foot range. I definitely would recommend it. Retail price of about $59. If you can do better, go for it. Scale of 1 to 10, a solid 7.5. I recommend the product. Get it. Have fun surfing. I'll see you out there. Bye. Hey!